sa Mongol, and this is our first time international flight since the pandemic. See sa back ko. Yay! We gonna stay there. Maghahanap tayo ng camel later. Camel ba yun?
Hindi ko alam. Horse, I think they're horses.
Horses, okay.
Yeah, they have horses
Saan dito tayo?
in Mongolia.
Joke lang po! Nandito po tayo sa Mongolian village here in Nasu, in Tochigi Prefecture. Let's go i-check natin yung ating accommodation. Our accommodation for tonight, Lucky 37! You wanna see inside? Let's check it out! I was warned na mababa daw yung entrada, so be careful with your head. Okay! Welcome home!
This looks so cool. Wow! Madilim pa rin. Oh, we have a genkan, look.
Yay! We have aircon!
Yeah! It's so cool. Four people can occupy.
Four, yeah.
Four people can occupy this, but we are just two, so please join us.
Oh, that's so cool! And the roof. Look up. It's like that. It's a dome.
You know what? I actually watched Genghis Khan series in Netflix, and it feels like this.
Like this?
You should watch it.
Yeah, it's so
So
exciting.
you can like imagine like how it was like before. So see, they are really good at horses until now. Yeah, these are zodiacs.
And
Chinese
it's probably like basically it's normally handmade, right? And look at that. Even though we are at Gel, they provide us with comfortable stay because we have towels, we have amenities and like toothbrush, towel set. And also, surprise! We have a television. We have a ref. And also, we have a telephone. See? Very technology advanced girl, I suppose. And since this area is also cold in winter, this room is also with a heater system like this one.
Yeah, it
But
looks so traditional. Should I like open it?
What's in there?
Coal life.
Oh,
But now it's empty because
empty
it's summer.
Because it's summer.
We don't need it, but it's still here for its aesthetic.
It's so excited because later on we gonna see a live show, right? Live
Not
performance.
my live show.
No, not her live show. Live performance. And we gonna see stars, many things. Yay! Welcome to our girl! Yay! Say-bye no! Going Mongolia!
Yes, we traveled all the way to Mongolia.
First international trip with visa and passport. Let's go, right? Come here. Ano masasabi mo sa stay natin dito?
Yeah, it's interesting and amazing.
It's a new world of experience for us. Especially last night, we watched yung live performance, like Mongolian instrument. It's so amazing. Because you know guys, ano siya, nakakagawa siya ng sound out of his, mouth.
And of course, some instruments, but it's just
Yeah,
if
yung
you think about it, like it's a very traditional instrument.
Yeah, it's very like, kasi yung instrument niyang guitar, it's made of anong tawag doon? Yung buntot
Actually,
ng
para siyang
kabayo.
violin tingnan kasi meron siyang, ewan ko, wala kasi ako idea about instruments then and I forgot everything about it. Parang ganon siya.
Yes.
But, yun, may tipa-tipa din siya.
At the end of the
Violin.
video, since hindi kami allow mag-photoshoot, hindi kami allow kumuha ng video while performing, after the performance, nagkaroon kami ng chance na makijam yung nag-perform.
Lang sign.
Yeah.
Actually, nag-play din siya ng yung traditional Mongolian songs and one Japanese song. Yeah.
Ano siya? Pinapauwi na tayo. Pinapauwi na tayo.
A good sleep here. Kung makikita mo, tent lang siya, pero it's fully equipped.
Yeah.
We have fridge, we have air
This is my
condition.
favorite here. Like, yeah, previously we also went glamping, like tent also, but we did not have
Yeah.
air conditioner. It was hot, it's just summer.
Yeah, it's summer here, so it's so hot, like especially in the area of Tokyo and Chiba. But here, when we entered the room yesterday, it was set to 22 degrees.
Yes, it was a very perfect
Yes.
getaway from Tokyo or Chiba because it just took us 3
Like
hours.
3 hours to come here. There
Yes.
was no traffic yesterday, but
Lucky.
yeah, we are lucky. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have chance, visit Mongolian village and for once be Mongolian in
Yes,
Japan.
just like us. Look. So we cannot travel right now, so this is just a perfect getaway.
Bye.